am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Is there an effect of sleep disorders on reproductive hormones and fertility? Through this video, let's investigate the connection between sleep disorders, circadian rhythms, and reproductive health. Sleep disorders and disruptions in circadian rhythms have significant effect on reproductive hormones and fertility in both men and women. The complex interplay between sleep, circadian rhythms, and reproductive health is increasingly being recognized as an important area of research given the widespread prevalence of sleep disorders and their potential effect on fertility. Sleep disorders and reproductive hormones have an impact on gonadotropin releasing hormone secretion, GnRH hormone. The hypothalamus regulates reproductive function by secreting GnRH in a pulsative manner, which is very critical for stimulating production of luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone by the pituitary gland. These hormones are essential for ovulation in women and spermatogenesis in men. Sleep disturbances, particularly those affecting deep sleep stages especially, can disrupt the pulsative release of GnRH, leading to alterations in LH and FSH levels. These disruptions can affect the normal function of the ovaries and testes, leading to infertility. Sleep disorders also have an effect on cortisol and stress hormones. These disorders like insomnia increase the production of cortisol, which is the body's primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels can suppress the reproductive hormone axis, leading to reduced levels of LH, FSH, estrogen, and testosterone. Chronic elevation of cortisol due to sleep disturbances can contribute to conditions such as anovulation in women and reduced sperm production in men. There is an effect on melatonin and reproductive health also based on sleep disorders. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland during the night. It plays a very key role in regulating circadian rhythms and has antioxidant properties that protect reproductive tissues from oxidative stress. And due to sleep disorders, there is disruption of the production of melatonin, which can lead to irregular menstrual cycles in women and impair sperm quality in men. In women, melatonin has been shown to support oocyte quality in embryo implantation. Therefore, reduced levels can negatively affect fertility. Leptin, a hormone involved in energy balance, is also influenced by sleep patterns. Sleep deprivation, as in lack of sleep, can lead to decreased leptin levels, which are associated with reduced fertility due to its role in regulating the hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Low leptin levels signal to the body that energy reserves are insufficient for reproduction, which can lead to reduced secretion of GnRH and therefore decrease in LH and FSH levels. Let's try to understand circadian rhythms and fertility in connection with hormonal cycles. Circadian rhythms regulate the timing of hormonal release, including reproductive hormones. Now, disruption in these rhythms, such as through shift hours or irregular sleep patterns, can lead to dysregulation of menstrual cycle in women and reduced testosterone levels in men. Women with disrupted circadian rhythms may experience irregular periods, anovulation, or even polycystic ovarian syndrome, and in men, altered circadian rhythms can lead to reduced sperm count and quality. So, is there an effect on pregnancy outcomes as well? Yes, there is. Circadian disruption during pregnancy can affect both the mother and the developing fetus. For example, altered sleep patterns have been linked to increased risk of preterm birth, low birth weight, and developmental issues in the offspring. So, maintaining regular sleep and wake cycle is crucial for pregnant women to support optimal fetal development and reduce the risk of pregnancy complications. Studies have shown that women who engage in shift works, particularly night shifts, have higher rates of menstrual irregularities, miscarriages, and infertility. Similarly, male shift workers may experience reduced semen quality and lower testosterone levels. This misalignment of the internal circadian clock with external environment, such as light and dark environment outside, leads to disruption in the timing of reproductive hormone secretion, and this can affect your overall infertility. So how do we manage? Of course, you have to improve your sleep patterns, implementing good sleep hygiene practices such as maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a comfortable sleep environment can help regulate circadian rhythms and improve reproductive hormone balance. Medical interventions are also necessary, but where cases where sleep disorders are severe, such as cognitive behavior therapy for insomnia, melatonin supplementation, or the use of sleep aids may be necessary to restore normal sleep patterns and improve fertility outcomes. Lifestyle modifications, where addressing lifestyle factors that contribute to poor sleep, such as stress, diet, physical activity, can also improve reproductive health. Regular exercise and balanced diet support both sleep quality and hormonal balance, enhancing fertility. So, sleep disorders and circadian rhythm disruption have a profound impact on reproductive hormones and fertility, and the relationship between sleep and reproductive health is very important in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and most disorders can be sorted with proper sleep, especially for individuals trying to conceive. So, by understanding and managing the connections between sleep, circadian rhythms, and reproductive health, you can optimize your chances of successful reproduction and overall well-being. Thank you.
A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.